Hi everyone, Atoluku Sunday here once again, and today we'll be looking at sort and filter. Now, before we go forward, I would like to define and clarify what this term means. Now, sorting means arranging your data in a weighted measure, that is either ascending or descending, small to old, or in a custom way. And filtering means grouping your data in with a certain condition. Yes, so you have a set of data, you want to group them based on a certain character or features that they have. Yes, now this does not necessarily delete the remaining data. You are just categorizing them and filtering out or getting out what you want, but the rest are still there. So without talking much on that, I hope you get that. Let us move straight to what we have. So the first thing we'll be doing is sorting, and the question here says sort the data in newest to oldest order of date listed. So the column we are going to be working with is date listed. However, I usually love preserving my raw data, so I'll go and copy this. Now, if you are a data analyst, please always have your data preserved, that is the original data. Always have that file intact, so always duplicate your data file that you have. So I go and highlight this and Control Shift, side arrow key, down arrow key, then copy, and then I move it to where I want, which is up here. So let me drag this up here, which is up here, and I go and paste here. So I already have a copy of that data down here. So what I'll now be doing is on this date listed, that's the column I'm much more concerned about. So I'll go to data. Now there are a lot of ways you can format. You can format from here, that is sorting from here, but I'll go to data, and then now notice it gives you A to Z, Z to A, and oldest to newest, or newest to oldest rather. Newest date is the latest date, so what we are going to be selecting is Z to A, which is the highest to lowest. So once you do that, you can see this gives you 18th October 2007. Sorry about that, 2007. So this is already sorted from the newest date to the oldest date. Yes, if you scroll down along the column, you can see that it goes down like that. So yeah, that's what we have there. Now the next thing is sheet 2 here. Sheet 2 says sort the data in ascending order of area and descending order of agent name. This is a little bit advanced, so pay close attention to it. So what I'm going to do, I'll still go and copy my data. You highlight using Control Shift, side arrow key, then down arrow key, then Control Copy, that's Control C. Yes, I usually call that Control Copy. So now the next thing is I go and paste it here, Control Paste, which is Control V. Now I have the same data here being replicated here. Yeah, so now the question says ascending order of area and descending order of agent name. Now you're going to click on this icon here, yes, where you have sort, and let me delete this. Sorry, delete this here. So now what you are going to be doing, let me shift this here. You click on add level. The column you are working with is what should come first, so sort by the column. Now if you click on this drag down here, this icon here, you can see all the columns being listed here, and the column we are working with is first area. So I'll select area, and then on the self values of the area, then the question was on area was ascending, so ascending is from A to Z. Yes, so you have it from A to Z. Then the next thing is we want descending of agent name, so I still set this, and then agent self values, then here is going to be descending, that is from the highest to the lowest, or from the newest to the oldest dates. So once you are done with that, you hit OK, and you can see my data is now sorted, that it is going from S, meanwhile the area is going from C. Yes, that is in order. So let us look at the next one that we have here. The next one says sort the data according to the following order of area: South County. Now for ease of time, okay, sorry, I would just copy this order. So for you, you can type it. Yes, you can type it. So I just copied that. Now you still hit on this icon here, this sort here, and you are going to be defining all what you have here. So you are going to add level. The column you are working in is area, so you select area, the cell values on area. Then the next thing is, oh sorry about this, I need to have made a copy down here. Sorry about that. Let me make that copy quickly. Yeah, so you go here, shift control side arrow key, down arrow key to highlight all, then control C to copy, and then we come back up here. Now we come back up here and we come and paste. So since I already have that, so let's continue now. So home, data, sorry, then sorry, I'll still have to copy this so I don't have to type it again. Yes, control C to have, so I've already copied that. Now you click on sort here, and okay, now you click on add level. The column we have, sorry, I come down here. Now click on sort, delete this. Yeah, add level. The columns I have that we are working with, let me shift this down here so that I can see the question, is area. So we go on area here, this is it. Cell value is what we are sorting it based on. Now it is no longer A to Z or Z to A, so it's a custom list. So you're going to be customizing this, so you click on custom list. Oh, sorry about this. Yeah, so you click on custom list, and now you click on new list, and on the entries you type it out the way it was earlier on. So this was what it was: South County, Central, and North County. And then you click on add. Now notice that it shows up here immediately. Then once you are done with that, you select it and you click OK. Once you click OK, you can now see it being shown here on your order. So once you are done with that, you hit OK here, and down here you can now see, based on the area, South County is coming first before Central. You can see all the South County are all up before the Central now came up, and then the last one, which is North County. So yeah, let's move to sheet 4. If you followed me to this point, please don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment for me. Yes, I'll be so eager to answer your questions. And if there is any topic you would want us to cover, yes, don't forget to drop a comment about that, and that could be our next video. So now let us copy this also. Yes, Control C, and I take it down here. Now let's see what this says. Let me even see the question. The question says, oh sorry, find all the houses in the central region. Now we are not going to be copying this, so this is filter, this is, oh sorry, yeah, we'll still have to copy it. This is filtering. Find all the whole houses in the central region. Notice one thing here. This is all the houses in the central region, so there is a condition there, and the condition that we have here is central. Let me see. Yeah, central area. I'll paste this here. Yeah, central area. So the column we are working in is area. However, all what I want to see here is just the houses in central area. Notice we have South County, Central area, North County, and the rest of them. So what you do, you highlight these columns, the column headers, sorry. You highlight the column headers. Now once you are done with that, you click on filter, and you'll notice that there is now a drop down icon beside each of the columns. Yes, so you go to area, and now this is you now filtering, and you uncheck all this and you select central and you hit OK. Now once you check through, you can see all the houses being shown here are from central region or central area. Now let us move to sheet 5. Sheet 5 says find the list of all the houses in the central region with pool and South County without pool. Now this is a little bit advanced, so follow closely on what I will be doing. From here, you are going to be defining these criteria that are given here. So the first criteria here is central region, so that's area also. So you type your central, yeah. Then with pool, you can see it's denoted by false and true here by the left hand side. So with pool is yes, so pool is true, rather, sorry, true, and it's case sensitive, yes. So then the next one is South County, so s dot county space county, yes, all that matters, without pool, so this is false. Yeah, now once that is done, the next thing you are going to be doing is you are going to click on advanced here. Yes, this is an advanced feature. So you're going to click on advanced here. And now once you've clicked on that advanced, notice something. It brings out a little pop-up box for you like this. Now what I want to do, I don't want to filter it in this place. I want it to move here. So what I'm going to be doing, I'll select copy to another location. Then this list range, it defines where your main data is, where the data you want to filter is. So you click on this icon here, and then you move to the edge here. You go up here, A1, side arrow key, down arrow key to select or highlight all of them. Then you click back on this icon. Then criteria range, my criteria range is from here to here. Yes, that's my criteria range. Then you click on this icon back. Then where I want it to go to, where I want it to go to is this new place that I just created for it. And once you are done, you hit OK. Now notice that it is showing you houses from South County that are false. You can see that here, and Central Region that are true, and that is so correct along all the whole columns. You can see South County false, and wherever you see Central, you can see Central here, you can see them true, 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 true. So yeah, that is done about that. So let's move to the next question here that we have. The next question, the question says, the agent with a house in North County area having 2 bedrooms and a single family type. Now this can be a scenario whereby you want to find the agent name or the agent number. You have to format your table in this way based on what you are looking for, and then the condition that are specified here is North County. So I'm going to put N dot county. Then the next thing is having 2 bedrooms. So bedroom is 2, fix 2 there. Then the family type is single. Now notice it is written single family here. So family type, under type is single family. And yes, it's case sensitive. Yes, so follow that. Let me edit that once again, sorry. Okay, single family. Now once that is done, once that is settled, you will now go to your advanced. Once you click on the advanced, similarly you click on copy to a new location, which is this. And like I did the other time, you go to list range, you select this, and once you are done with that, you highlight everything. You can see the dotted lines showing that all this is already highlighted. Then the next one is criteria range. You hit on this icon here, and you can see that my criteria range is already selected. Yes, so what I'll do then, copy to, this is where I want to copy it to. Yes, this is that. And once you are done, you hit OK. You can now see it gave us Randolph as the agent who has this in this specification of house in North County. Yeah, so let's move to the next sheet, which is sheet 7. Now for this, I'll be doing it in 2 ways. Now notice that there are a lot of ways to achieve all these results. Yes, but I'll show us 2 ways here to achieve this. Now display all the houses whose list price was between 300 to 400. Now I'm going to go here. Notice that I have 2 list prices here, so I'm going to specify it greater than 300, 1 2 3, then less than 400, 1 2 3. Now that is the specification that I am looking for. So I hit on advanced also. Now copy to a new location. I still select my criteria, which is, sorry, my list, which is this entire place. Then after that, I go to my criteria range, which is from here. Sorry, I need to move this down a little bit here. So from this, my criteria range, I've selected that. Then copy to this new sheet here. You hit on this icon and you select this whole sheet here. Yeah, select this whole sheet and you hit OK. And once you hit OK, you can now see the houses it is showing us are between 300 to 400,000. Sorry, I don't have the unit there, so whether naira or dollars or whatever it is. So yeah, okay, this should be dollars here. or pounds. The central county, yeah, county is usually, so whatever it is, yes. So now the second way of doing that is this. You go up here, yeah, then you click on filter, but I'll be deleting this, and you go to list price, and down here you see number filters. Once you come down here, you see between, and now you can now specify the range you want. So you have 300, yes, that's 300, then 400, 1 2 3, and you hit OK. Once you do that, you can now see that all the prices that are listed here are between that range that is specified. So those are two ways you can do that. So whichever one you want, that will be fast and efficient for you. So let me go back on that. Now on sheet 8, what we have here says find all the houses in North County area with a list price of greater than 300,000 and having 3 or 4 bedrooms. Now notice the other time I had 2 columns for the list price, but this case I'll be showing you a different way. So we'll be typing North County, so n dot county. I'll type that out first. N dot county, sorry, okay, county. Now list price is greater than 300, 1 2 3, yeah, that's 300,000. Then bedroom 3 or 4. Now this also carry North County, sorry, I'll write in capital letter, yes, North County. Then the same price will be here, so I just want that same price, 300. Yes, now that is sorted out. Now notice that we have North County and North County. So what I'm looking for is prices is the same, area is the same, however 3 or 4 bedrooms. So you click on your advanced. Once you click on advanced, you copy to a new location, and then the next thing you're going to be doing is selecting your list range, which is this original data here. Then after that, your criteria range is just the criteria I just defined, which is already listed here, and then copy to, I want it here. So yes, I click on this, and then you hit OK. Now once you hit OK, you can see that all what is showing is North County with 3 or 4 bedroom. If you followed me up to this point, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.